Like, yes. Yes. After today's class is over, I will upload, ma. I will upload. Yes, ma. Arindam. Yes, yes, ma. So we will see that Django. We will see that. We will see, ma. Okay, okay, okay. So you are expressing your so much of happiness towards my class. It's really feeling so happy. Yeah. Monday it is going to start Java also. Now I'm yes, ma. Bruce Lee, you know, okay, videos on this. I'm using desktop, na? I'm using desktop. Okay. Shall we enter into the topic? Yes, ma. Today, Pawan Yadav, today it will be over. Today it will be over. Let us start the topic. So last class we completed. Last class we completed some part called what? That is, so 4 p.m. pandas, data frame, data frame. There we are going to have, yes. So we are using the data frame pandas related thing, and there I explained the syntax for it, and then explanation also I gave, and then import pandas as PD and data frame, and then empty data frame, how to create non-empty data frame with list, zero default indexes, default column indexes. After that, data frame with another example, zero indexes, and then this thing. Yes, ma, Karthik. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma, Karthik. So you are all you people are very much attached with me, right, ma? Yeah. So you can express your views after this class is over. It will take yeah, definitely, ma, definitely. We are looking into that because I'm taking morning onwards, morning 9 to 6 to 7 to 9. Recently it was completed 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 1, and 2 to 4 also because I took some half an hour rest. 2 to 3:30 only I used to take. After that again 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10 also it is there. So too much of all schedules are there. If any one of the schedule is over, we will be starting another course which is useful to you. Yes, ma. That is KVR, sir. Okay, thank you. So let me complete, ma. After that, yes, ma. Yeah, fine. Django also we will see. It is very easy for us. Django you will learn like anything. There is no difficulty at all. Okay, right. Creating a non-empty with inner list. Let me complete this. Later we will speak. Later we will stay and we will speak. Right. So this is the done. And then after that, data frame of LST, DF, and this is two things. Inner list concept it is. Inner list onwards. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Later I can give you an option for you. You can speak about it. Okay. You can express your. Let me move forward. Okay, ma'am. Please look at that. Right. So 0, 1 and 0, all these things. Inner list, default rows and default columns. And we are giving some type of this thing, inner list also with the two inner lists that is taken as a rows and the default indexes and the default column names. And next we are talking about data frame with the inner list, programmer defined labels for rows and then columns. For rows and columns we are taking. And in that we are taking this type of information. So we are taking this name. You see name. We are giving the indexes as 1, 2, 3 programmer defined indexes, rows, and then name and all those things we are giving. Next we are talking about this part. This part also print of name something else. We are going to have only column names I gave. Next I introduced one more thing called what with the data types also. With the data type, D type is equal to float. D type is equal to float. Next, we create a data frame with the ND array with the programmer defined labels, rows and columns. ND array. I'm taking list object here, converted into ND array, convert into ND array, NP dot array of this one, A, and a DF data frame of A, index is equal to 1, 2, 3, columns is equal to name, age, D type is equal to object. So as it is, this data will be shown. As it is, this data will be shown. 1, 2, 3. This one you have given it. And then column names you have given name, age. This is that done. And next, a data frame with a dict with a list programmer defined labels. Dict of list. Data frame with a dict with a list inside. See, one name, STUDs. This is called what? STUDs, names. And there we took some girls' names yesterday. Some names I took it. Sub one is equal to subs. What are the subs of that? Dict we took it. So this is called a key. This is called another key. This is called another key. Column names. These are called data of it. Okay. After that, we took it yesterday. This names and then this kind of things. Yesterday, last class, we have seen that I changed these names. Oracle, MySQL, and then DB2, SQL83, something like this. This is what we discussed in the last class. This is what we discussed in the last class. Now, today, I just took it as yes. Fine. Yes, ma. Nan will come. Kaushal, Nan will come when we are going to be not careful about the data planning. So, right. Nan will come when we are not taking care about the proper planning of information. So, Nan will come when you are going to get the properly when we are not taking the data. That time we will be getting that information. Are you okay with that? Right. So, let us move forward. The same type of example, let me take one more here. Let me take. So I will take, just now I prepared in my half an hour of time, I just prepared one small example. So I took it, some names of the players, cricket players in my beginning of the thing, some cricket players I want to take it. So like what, next, these are all called what? Dict of things I took it. So the same thing I want to create, the same thing is there. For example, this is the information I have. So the same thing I want to go for, this is a dict we have, na? Names are there. So how do you create the same thing with what? Same thing with what? Series object I want to create. Series object. How do you create the series object actually? Series object, how do you create, ma? So series object, tell me how do you create it? Let us go to our Python environment. Python environment, how do you create? S1 is equal to, tell me, S1 is equal to, first import pandas as pd. Now yes, series s is equal to pd dot series series of some values we will take it. So series of people, I will take series of people. Yeah, Karan, excellent. So you need to take the data. What is the data? You can take string data, you can take anything, you can take. So I'm taking here Python, I'm taking Python, or I'm taking some student names. I will take some student names. I will take these names. These names I will take it. These names I will take it, for example. So I'm taking these names. So look at that. I'm taking the student names like this. So see, I'm taking Divya, these names I took it. So after that, series object is created. Yes, when I say yes, these are created. These are only labeling is there. Now I want to go for converting into data frame. How do you create data frame? DF is equal to what is that? PD dot data frame of yes. Data frame of yes. So we are just converting into data frame. What is that now? Data frame. Already we are having this type of thing, and we are going to get this kind of things. These are all called what? Names. So you can take happily. Here you can write what you can take columns. Columns is equal to what you can take. This is called columns. Is equal to what I can take names. Names I can take it. Names I can take it. So df you say. What is happening here? You see names is a column name. So these are having this type of. If you want, you can change this type also. Names also you can take. Are you getting my point? Like that, I want one series. Series object is created. Creating the data frame. Creating the data frame. Another continuation part we are entering. Creating the data frame. Creating the data frame. Continuation. Creating the data frame with a series object. With a series object. With a series object. Series object. With a series object. How do you create the series object here? See, here we are creating the series object. Already we learned how to create the series object. We are printing that. And we converted that data frame of yes. Already syntax we had in our concept part. What is the syntax here in the beginning only? This the syntax is most important for you. Data. Data can be either list. Data can be either list or dict or series. Now we are seeing with the series. ND array we have seen already. Now series we are taking. So what is the series object in this place? Data can be a series. Index, columns, etc. we are taking. So in this place, we took it as data frame of S. S is nothing but an object of series. So that series object I will take and I converted it and I gave the column names also for it. So creating the series object. It is one variety of series object. Let me go to the series object. So we are concentrating on how to create the series object. Yes, created. And internally this list is converted into the series. Yes, that is done. In the series, what is not there? Column indexes will not be there. Data frame, default column index, column names is equal to this part. Okay, done. Now we created only data series is created. One series only created. Suppose I want to create something like this. Look at me. I want to create names is there. Names, okay. Then names as what I want to take like this I want to take. Names I want to take. Corresponding names, subjects also I want to take here. Subject 1, subject 2 also I want to take. So names is a key. Name is a key. These are all called a series. Next, careful understand ma. Subject 1 and a list of subjects. Subject 2, list of subjects. So tell me how many keys are there? Carefully. Come on, quickly. How many keys are there? 3 keys are there. How many values of values are there? How many values of values are there? For each key, we have a separate values of value, right or not? For each key, separate values of value is there. Yes or no? For each key, separate. For name is concerned, 4 names are there now. For subject 1 is concerned, how many subjects will be there? 4 subjects will be there. 4 subjects. For subject 2, how many are there again? 4 subjects will be there. Totally 3 columns. 3 columns are nothing but 3 keys. So it is looking like what? Can anybody can understand this? It is looking like what? Keys with series of values. This is one series with a column name called names. Now you tell me I want to create a series of names. Yes. Can anybody can give the clarity here? Which is known as what? It is known as what? Dictionary of series I want to create. Look at what is that word? Dictionary of series. Can you understand that word? Dictionary of series. Can we plan for that? Dictionary of series. I'm going to create a dictionary of series. Easy, you can understand, not at all a difficult. Creating a data frame with a dict of series object. Dict of series objects. Excellent. Dict of series objects. How to create it? Come on, start with D is equal to, first prepare the dictionary. D is equal to, start. This is an ending. This is a ending. Dictionary starting and dictionary ending. What I want to take it here, names. What is the names? It is a key. Next, what I want to do, see how easy to prepare it. Sub 1. See how easy to prepare it. Sub 2. How easy to prepare it. Excellent. Yes. Come on. Fast. Tell me now. What is these names? Already you have written just now. What are the names? This you have written. One series I will create. See that. One series. Are you understanding? Are you okay? Simple. We almost came to the peak level programming. Peak level programming. So we created pd.series. These are all comes under this thing. We already took it as even list also you can take. Already we did this. Next, I want to go for what? PD dot. One more I will take it. PD dot. What I'm taking? Series of what I want to take. Subjects I want to take it. What are my subjects here we have? What are the subjects we decided to take these things? It is nothing but we converted list into another part only. So I'm taking here. I'm taking that part. 1 minute. So I will take it here. You write this part. I'm just copying that part here instead of typing again. So Python, Java, data science. 4 names are there, 4 values are taken. Next, subject 2 also I will take. PD dot, one more I am taking. Series of, tell me what I should do. I should say of Oracle. Next one, last class what I wrote it. MySQL. Here I am writing MySQL. Yes, MySQL, comma. Next is what? SQLite 3. Yes, next is called what? DB2. This is DB2. This is called done. Yes, ma'am. Satyam Sharma. Yes. So data success learning, that is called one master level programming in subject of computer science. PD.series of Oracle, list of values I took it. Dictionary started here, dictionary ending there. See that? All of you carefully understand. Keys is called what? Names. This is the one. Next, sub one. We will take care now. Series, we need to close. See the brackets also. Sub 2, it is opened and then closed. And the sub 2 also we need to close. PD sub opened, Oracle, and then done. Closed. Comma you need to say. This is called a comma. It is called a comma. You need to say comma. Are you okay? Is it understandable, guys, all of you? Yes. This I will take it as it is. I prepared here. Just to paste it. It is done. You see, D is equal to names of the people, subs of the people, sub 2 of the people. Print D, dictionary of the people. Print D, dictionary of the people. Started from here and ending here. Right? This is only dictionary. Dictionary is printed. Okay? Dictionary of series of dictionaries printed. This is not our main structure. Only D printed. What is the type of D also print? Type of D also print. Because our normal dictionary is not that much formatted, not giving proper analysis. That's why we are converting into what? DF. Data frame is equal to PD dot data frame of what? D. Data frame of D. What is printed? DF. So here, what are the column names? Come on, can you tell me the column names? How many column names are there? How many column names, ma? 3 column names. Column names, sub 1, sub 2, column names. Names sub 1, sub 2, etc. So here I will print it. Converted. D is converted. Dictionary of series converted. Print of DF. So it is done. So see that 0, 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can give your own column names. No issues at all. Names sub 1, sub 2. So Divya, Python, Oracle, Kusharga, Java, MySQL, Sharada, Data Science, SQLite 373, etc. like this. So data is converted. So how to prepare data frames is important. When we enter into something like data science, artificial intelligence and all, based on that conditions, we can go for what? Preparing this kind of thing, how to get the data and all. In data science level, you will be learning it. Because in the Python, how to prepare the data science level, data frames, how to prepare, we are learning it. So at certain state, you are going to deal with in the artificial intelligence, in data science, or ML or machine learning, wherever you are supposed to prepare the data frames like this. Now I want to go for, after preparing it. So I also prepared. This is called what? Come on, for my satisfaction. What is this entire thing? How do you take this entire thing? How do you take it, ma? Dictionary of series. Dictionary of series. That I converted into what type? Data frame I converted. It is a tool for us. So I will write here dictionary of data frame, it is called. Data frame. Data frame. It is called a dictionary of series. Dictionary of series object. Converted into create a data frame with very, very important part. So it is done. Output is going to come like this. This is called output of this. Fine. So it is done like this. Next, I want to go for dictionary of series with this. If you want to give your own thing here, if you want indexes, you want index is equal to, I want to give 100, comma 200, comma 300, 300, 300, comma 400, 400. So see that, okay, okay. So it is I I capital I used. Capital I used. Capital I. So small I you need to use. Are you getting my point? What is the mistake here? Capital I. So we need to use small I. Print of df. Print of df. So started from where? 100. Started from where? 100. But what is happening? Already series is containing what? Already series is containing what? Already series is containing what, ma? Our own values. Indexes are already predefined. Already indexes are predefined. Those indexes, if you change it, what is happening that time? We'll be getting what type of values? Indexes are not matching with this kind of thing. That's why all values are filled with what? Nan. So if at all you want, to change, what we can do? Here only we can give it as this type of values. How do you create this one now? How do you create with 100 with our own values? Come on, anybody else? Anybody else can take care of this? You have to prepare this as something like this. Just watch this kind of thing. Carefully try to watch it. I will take data of series. This is a data frame we have taken. So this entire thing can be prepared as a data frame. Why this is not taking 100 and etc. here? Because already series is containing what values? Series is containing what values, ma? Series is containing what values? Zero index. This is zero index. And what is this index is taking? It's a 1. This index is taking what? 0, 1, 2, 3. All of you are taking what? 100, etc. you are taking. That's why it is, what is our previous concept? Once it is not matching with the existing keys, it is going to give you by default what values? 0 value. Nan is going to give you. Nan is going to give you. So that's why you got the nan values there. That's why, as far as this is concerned, when you are taking dicta values, we are supposed to take this kind of things. So I hope that you people are understanding. If you want this kind of thing, already we did in the previously only. What is our previous concept here? You see, if you want your own indexes to do, what I should do? Take this kind of thing. Already we did this type of examples. Now what is this now? STUD1, STUD2, etc. You can take your own type of indexes. Yes, ma. Bilal, I told already. Nan means not a number. This is called what? Your own numbers you have taken it. Your own numbers you have taken it. So if you want to take your own indexes, last class I told you this part only. STUD1, STUD2. These are the indexes you have, column indexes. If you want your own indexes, I already told you, STUD's index is equal to STUD1, STUD2, STUD3. Okay, Bruce Lee. STUD1, STUD2, STUD3. These are called indexes. So if you want, you can do the same kind of approach with this way. So I hope that this STUDs we taken in this manner. Even in this case also, if you want 100 and etc., we need to continue the previous version. What is the previous version? Just to see, I will copy this example. I will address it. I will address this kind of things. Watch it. Once again, you watch it. Here, STUDs, we will take as usual. As usual, we will take. Here, I will take, this is called Oracle. Carefully observe it. Oracle. This is called MySQL. MySQL. This is called, next is called SQLite 3. SQLite 3. Yes, this is called a DB2. 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 Yes. Now here, these are the prepared. STUDs means all these values are printed. All these values are printed. In this place also, subs also, these values are coming. Okay. These kind of things, we are converting into STUDs are dicts. There we specified indexes. How do you specify the indexes here today? We can specify the indexes 100, 101, 102, 103, and then 104. You can go for lengths. How many names are there? That many you can take it. How many are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this we can take it. So you can get it that indexes what we expected. So if you take these values, you will be getting as this. Let me take it. Let me take this example and let us watch it. So, okay, let me take, this is as it is done. 1 minute you wait. 1 minute you wait, ma. Yeah. So let me go to, I will take these things. Instead of typing once again and again, I will just want to continue like this. Yes. I will take like this. Fine. So STUD is created. STUD is created. Type of what? Type of STUDs. Dict, that is called. Now I am going to convert to data frame. What is the data frame conversion here? This conversion I am doing it. This conversion. Because already we learned. That's why I am just copying and pasting here. So done. Print df. Print of df. Print of df. See that? 100, 101, 102, 103, 103. So these are all, we learned things. These are all learned things for us. So whatever the way is there, whatever the way you are having, all those ways we are going to do. Aniket, Ram Teke, switch off your video. Aniket, switch off your video. Aniket, is not looking at us, right? He's seeing somewhere here and there. Okay, right. So see that ma, carefully. All the values are coming. Nan is not recommended, ma. Nan is not recommended. Nan is not recommended. So are you understanding how to do these kind of things? Right? Yes. Okay. Now this is called one more type of example. With our own indexes. With our own indexes, you got the output. This is an output, what you got. So this output only I will paste it. This output only. These are all very much programmatically most sensitive points. These are supposed to be learned by you. These are the outputs with our own indexes. Previous output is what? With a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 index. Okay? Right. Next, we are going for, it's created here, multiple series of objects are created. Multiple series of objects are created. Now I created one small example. Now cricket players you take it. Cricket players. Our Indian cricket players you take. So their cricket players, tell me cricket player names. Player names. Look at that. Player names. Okay? Player names. For example, their ages, their rating. How do you take? How many series objects you take? Yes, ma, names I'm not expecting names now. Okay, last class you are so powerful. So, Rishabh Pant, okay, your favorite people names you are writing. Okay, fine. Player names are called what? Come on, convert into subject. Player names are called what? Player name, okay. Bruce Lee, tell me, player names are called what? Series. It's one series. Names is equal to. Ages are called what? Another series. Rating is called what? Another series. Another series. How many series are there? Three series. All of them are kept in where? All of them are kept in where? Dict, dict, dict. So what is the general skeleton of it? What is the general skeleton of it? D is equal to cricket. Cricket is equal to CR, CRKT is equal to cricket is equal to, come on, dictionary symbol, player names, player names. So you will write, what is that? Is equal to, come on, ma, PD dot what? Series. PD dot what? Series. Series of people. Series of people. So you will write a series of people in the form of what? List. You will write in the form of list, right or not? In the form of list. Series of names, comma. One series is build. One series is build. Player names. Next, what will be there? Next, comma. What is the next one? Ages. Ages will be the another key. Ages is an another key, right? Next, again, I will prepare what? PD dot series. PD dot series. There I will create what? Ages of each player. Ages of each player. Ages of each player. Okay, done. Next, what you will take? Rating. Rating also will be taken. Rating. Rating also you will be taking. Is equal to PD dot series. PD dot what? Series. PD dot series. And you will take the series of rating people you will take. Rating people you will take. Are you getting what I am talking here? End of the dict. End of the dict. Right. Rating. Yes, ma'am. Rating. This is called rating column. Yeah. Dict na, this is called dict. You already know how the dict will be prepared. Even previously, you see, we prepared with column. Column. Because our basic traditional file program, Python programming says that only. So this is called column. Column. Yes. So this is our cricket players and all those. We will convert into data frame. How do you convert into data frame? DF is equal to PD dot data frame of what is that? CRKT. 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 So what will be taken automatically? This will be coming as a column names, ages, rating, players, ages, rating. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? Yes. So like this, we are going to apply rating. We are converting into that. Let me show. This is a skeleton. Skeleton I just to show you. So default index we will get as it is with a 0. Default index we will get a 0. So for that I will just to show you one small example, because that names and all those things to write it, I just prepared it in my just 15 to 20 minutes of gap time at 3:30. So I will take you. I just made it ready, ma. I just made it ready like this. Some home appliances, something is prepared. D is equal to names, player names, player name. What is that? See, PD dot series. I will just copy this part and then I will show you. Here only I will show you. Example. I will paste it. Come on. Player names is equal to player names. Coming to the point of it. 1 minute. Player names. PD dot series. Tom. And don't think that whether he is there, that player is there or not. No Indian player, only Australian player. I just took it. Tom. You can write our own players, no problem. James, Ricky, Win, Steve, Smith, Jack, Lee, Tom Moody, yes. So David. Next, like that, just I will get it down. Next, what is this? Gaspar, BTN, Andrews. Like this is called one series. Next, ages, PD dot series. What is that? 25, 26, 25, 23, 30, 29, 30, like that. How many number of players are there? That many number of values you are taking. And their rating is also one more kind of key. PD dot series, fourth rating. For example, 23, 3, something like 3.24, 3.98, 2.56, like that. I just took it as something like this. Are you able to follow me? Guys, are you following? It is equal to what? PD dot series of names. Ages of something like this. Series of like this. It is nothing very, very easy. That we will convert into where? Data frame. Data frame this is called. Okay, na? So I will just want to convert these things into this place. Let me take this part as it is. Let me take this part and I will take it. Let me take this and I will take that part into this place and then watch it. Watch it. So then we got the D. Oh, we got the D. Type of D is what? Type of D is a dict type. How do you convert into frame, data frame? df is equal to pd dot data frame of D of D. So we got a df. Print of D. Print of df. So we got a player name 0, 1, 2, 3, 11 people. Player name, then this is age and then rating. Age and rating. Okay. So like that you can write all your college names, all your college students' names with this kind of things. You want your own things? Okay. Malesh, right? Thank you, ma. So all these things we are just writing. You want your own things? I told you the mechanism already. Here you see. Like this you can go. Programming will change the life career. Okay, done. This is the one we got it. So I will take this point of part. Output I want to give you because these are very, very important for you to convert. How to prepare the data frames you learn. It is more than enough. So coming to the things like this. Player names and all those things. And here we got that side and this side. And here we got the perfect output. Right? Now. Yes, ma. Yes. Still, CSV file is there. If I tell you CSV file, na, you will say, sir, beautifully you will say, CSV file is there. That is the finishing touch I am going to give you. Yes, I am going to. It is there in our discussion, na? It is there in our discussion, right? Here it is there, na? CSV file. Here, CSV file is there. We are, and it's very simple, you know. It's very simple. We are going to see that. Are you understanding this part, ma? Are you understanding this? Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Like that, if it is any analysis data is there, if any analysis data is there, that analysis data can you easily convert into the data frame. Yes. Fine. Okay. Okay. Last one more I prepared it. One more I prepared it. See, cart, some cart, product. One more you see. One more. Last and final you see. Product is here. What is that? Mobile, AC, laptop, TV, football. Something like that. Next, what is that? Electronic. Products, electronic. Home appliances, electronic. Home appliances. Sports, like that. Now, price, 10,000. Now, if I convert into that, you will understand more better. Let me convert into this place. Let us paste this also. Let us paste this also. Cart is also dictionary. Type of cart. Type of cart. Shopping cart. Cart this is. Cart. Cart. You are getting that. Getting into df is equal to data frame is equal to pd dot data frame. pd dot data frame. And you see one thing all of you should understand. You see here columns is equal to here product is there. Same name they took it, you see. Observe it. Same name product. Type also you see. Same name type. Price you see. Same price also took it. We told you already this type of example. All the keys, same keys are there. Values will be picked up as keys. If I take different values, will I take it? What values will be pulled out? Which values will be pulled out, ma? Come on. Which values will be pulled out? Last time we used already. Last class or previous class. Which values will be placed if I take different column names? Nan. What is that value? Nan will be taken. That's why they have taken same names. They have taken. Even if you don't take also, no problem. Even if you don't take also, no problem. See here, I did not take anything. Just a df is equal to pd dot data frame of cart. I will write it. Just cart I am converting. So print df. So I have got this things. Product. Product is what? Mobile, AC, laptop, TV, football. Type, electronic, home appliance. AC is a home appliance. Laptop is an electronic. TV is a home appliances. Football is a sports. Price is also there. Price, 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 price. So planning is important. Planning is important. So this is also called one important discussion. So how we converted this? This is also one important blueprint for you to do with the data frames. It's very, very important. Yes. Thank you, Ma Kaushal. Thank you. So we are supposed to do like this. Now, this is the information what we got it. So output is going to be printed some zigzag manner, but when we see normal thing, it is going to be clearly, it is visible for you. It is clearly visible for you. So here in the output part, you don't bother about it. During the programming execution, you are having clarity in that. Right. Yes, ma. Mallesh. Yeah. Thank you, ma. Thank you. All our students are very nice. All you are, yes, you are my Java student as well as this student. Yeah, fine. Thank you. Right. Very good. So, like the product and etc. is given. Now, so see guys, now I want to go for, next, I want to see, this is done. Now I want to see what are the products, Now I want to select, look at that, next one I am going to talk about it. What is the next one? df of, suppose in our database, how we query the data, how do you query the data? Some of the things I am saying here, some of the things. What is the query? How do you query the data there? Select star from employee, where condition. We are using something now like that. Print of df of your column name, product. We will say product. So be careful, case sensitive it is. Product you need to write. Product you need to write. Product. So what are coming? You see mobile, AC, laptop, TV, football. What is the name of the product you are selecting? Product. D type object type. Are you getting my point? Guys? Yes. Next, see, I will write here type. I will write it. Type I am writing. So type you are getting electronic and all these things. Now you are writing type comma. See, we will try this price. We will write price. What is the price here? Like this. So we will see price. It is going to give you, df will give you at a time only one value at a time. Only one selection to be done at a time. Only one selection. So if you need to say one selection, no two selections can be done. So price, it is going to give you the price. Are you getting my point, ma? Yes. Okay. Right. This is the way how you can select the data. To select the data, we need to use data frame and your column name you need to use it. So I will write that word. Actually, these are all going to be the additional kind of things. So I'm writing to select the data. I'm writing to select the data. From data frame object. We use syntax. What is that? Data frame object of, what is that? Column name within the quotes mark, column name, because already you have seen column names are nothing but keys. Keys must be written always inside a product within that. So columns within that. So here data frame of this one we need to write it. Yes. Karan, you can do it, ma. So majorly we are going to do it. Coming to that, I will introduce ma. Karan, don't worry. Column name of name. So what is an example, sir? Go to the point. Here, the type of product, and sports also I will introduce. So what is that kind of thing here? We got product is coming and then name of the product. This is an output we got. It's an information about the product. Right. Now, see ma, Pavan Yadav, 1 minute you wait ma. 1 minute you wait. This is the one you got the output. Like that price also we can get it. Price also we can get it. Here we got the price information. Price information we got it. So this is the price information we got. Now, this is the price information. Now, actually, there is one more thing is there. There is one more thing is there. What is the thing is, you can apply. Suppose I want to go for some small condition also I want to introduce. So immediately you will get a thing is, sir, I want to get a row, but that facility is not given in pandas. But they gave this one some small condition they gave. Let me apply it. Let me apply it. I just want to show you that. I just want to show you. Small thing I just want to write it. Just observe it. Just observe it. df dot some data is equal to df dot loc. Just I will explain it. First, let us watch. df of some price I will write it. Price. Some price I will write it. Price. Some price I am writing. Some price I am writing. That price where I am writing is equal to something like greater than something like 500. For example, I am just writing it. For example, I am writing this part. Okay. So see that what is this condition says. df of price more than 500 rupees. LOC, that is nothing but column selection. Columns, it's called one function. Column selection. This is called what? Selecting the values. Which was. First, let me execute. I'll show the flow. First, let us understand this condition. Data is a variable. Data is a variable. This is called condition is there. In the price column, I want to select some column values. Column values of what is that thing? Price more than 500. Understand the scenario first. What is the price? More than 500 rupees. What are coming? All these values will be selected. All these values will be selected. Print the data. Print data. So what is happening? All the values are printed. Next, you change the condition. What is the condition here? Less than something like 1000. Less than 1000. Which one will come? Less than 1000. Which one will come? Only 799. This kind of value will become. This kind of row will be selected. Which one? Football only I can get it. Football only will be getting. So let us print the data. Print the data here. Print the data. Print data. Print data. Here we are getting print data. So I got this row selection. I got it. This row selection I got it. So this is called the values which you are receiving. That is an important. How do you select the values from this one? Can anybody can tell me? How do you get the condition? How do you get that now? Come on. Come on, quickly. What you are understanding with this? With this kind of condition, we are going to get it. Come on. We are going to use which one can be compared with I want to compare some condition, data frame object and column name and then condition, and this LOC is nothing but column based condition. So don't think about the full forms and all those things. Full forms and all. Aniket again is keeping mask. So he is moving here and there without having that. Because without CSV file explanation, is moving here and there. So df.loc, what it will do? It is applying the condition. That data will be picked by what? Condition. Selection of the data done by this condition. Are you following me? This is a condition. Data will be there in the, it is marked for the selection of values. From there it will be selected, LOC. Retrieved the data and kept into data, and we are printing that. This is a very, very important one that you need to remember carefully. So how do you get the data? Getting the data from this place. So you are getting by using function called selecting the data. Selecting the data from the data. So if I go on discussing like that, lot of things will come in front of. I'm writing here. Now I'll write here. Selecting the data. We are just filtering the data. See, ma, two conditions cannot be applied at a time. A compound condition you can apply. Compound condition you can apply, ma. Okay. Selecting or querying the data. I can write querying the data. Querying the data from where? Data frame. Querying the data from data frame object with the condition, with the LOC function, right? What is the syntax, sir? Syntax is we are applying some variable name, resultant variable name, data frame object dot LOC of data frame object of what is the column name you need, right? Column name, which is nothing but like a key. Column name. There I am saying condition is some condition you need to write it. So there you need to mention immediately condition statement. Condition statement is prepared with what? Our relational operators, our logical operators. Condition statement you need to write. And the followed by examples. I want to see the home appliances whose price is greater than 500. Whose appliances more than 500. Whose appliances more than 500. Next, whose appliances more than like this? We can apply. Right. So, one of our student is asking the question. So, data is equal to, he is writing electronic. So, see that he is writing type. Type is equal to, he is saying that electronic. So, writing here electronic. Fine. So we will use like this. Type is equal to electronic. So see that data. Print of data. See that data. What are the electronic prices are there? Product. Mobile is coming. Laptop is coming. Are you following? So getting the data of electronic. Whatever is there, we are going to get this information. Are you getting this? So another kind of example. Electronic items we are getting. Price more than that you are getting. Price less than that you are getting. All these values are coming like this. Dear students, are you okay with this? Fine. Next, I'm going to introduce CSV file. So we created all these things, data frame. We go for that. All those things are going to be there. Yes, ma. Ravi Kishore. We will come to that, ma. Next, we will go for CSV file we are going to work out. So what is CSV file, sir? What is CSV file? Can you tell me? The name itself says comma separated value. Come on, tell me what is that meaning? Comma separated value. Please write all of you. What is the CSV stands for? Comma separated values. It is one of the extension to our older file. A lot of outdated files are there. It is one of the lightweight file which can work on all the platforms. Right. Sir, how do you create a CSV file? How do you create? Very, very simple. CSV file is one of the comma separated file. So how do you create a comma separated file, sir? Very, very simple, sir. You will open MS Excel sheet, you open, or you will open Notepad, whatever you open it, and then you will type the details. Let us see that how I will create the CSV file. First, you forget about this pandas. I will come to pandas. First, let me show you the normal program. Because you are asking from the beginning, sir, CSV file like that you are asking now. So how CSV file is easy? I'm going to show you. Right. So let us go to the CSV file. Let us go to normal text you take, notepad you take, editor you take, anything. Now I'm taking, guys, look at carefully. SNO, 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 our SNO. Next I'm taking what? Comma. You see, name, comma. See all these things I'm writing name, comma, marks. Now I'm taking marks. What are the SNOs? 10, comma, comma. Now I'm taking caviar, comma. So 22.22. Next 20. Next is called what? RAM. Now I will take what? 33.33. Next I'm taking 30. Take some numbers. Say take something like what? Malesh. I'm taking something like comma, comma, Malesh. I will take Malesh, comma, 44.44. I'm taking 44.44. 40, 40. I'm taking something like DD. Now I'm taking something like 55.55. Next is 60, 60. I'm taking some name, some name. What is that name? Arindam, Arindam. I will take something like what? 66.66. Next is 70, 70. Who is that? Something like Ravi, Ravi Kishore, Ravi Kishore. Now I am taking 77.77. 80, 80. Next is called Bilal, Bilal. Now next is 80, 87.77. Next 90. I'm taking 90. Okay, okay, Bruce Lee. Okay, I'm writing your name. Bruce Lee. Yeah, I'm writing something like 87, 90, 97.90, 88. Right. Okay, Pavan, 100, 100, Pavan. So, 100. I will take something like 95, 95, Pavan, Pavan, Pavan Yadav, Pavan, Y. I will write here 97.99. Next, I will take 85. 85 I am taking. There I am taking Rosam. Rosam. Otherwise, Rosam will feel. Yeah, I developed a beautiful language. Yes. So come on to the point of it. So you got something like 77.77. Enough. Okay, Sunil. Yes, sir. 75 I will take. Okay, Sunil. Sunil. I am writing. Yes, ma. Nell. Okay, Nell. So I will take. Okay. Okay. Fine. Coming to the point of it, I will take something 77.99. So 88. I will take something like Rambabu. So Rambabu, BABU. Okay, okay, ma. It will take lot of time. I will take 77.99. Okay, 99. Okay. See that how it is written. Praveen also. Last one I will write. Okay, Praveen. So next, don't tell me because if I don't write, you may feel, or otherwise I will feel because taking lot of time. This is see how I wrote the data. Please, all of you observe. Separated by comma. Are you following, ma? Karthik. Last point. Sorry, write his name also. Karthik. Karthik also I will write. Karthik 88.88. Okay, over. Finished. Right. Okay. Satish is saying 65. Okay, don't tell next. Mamun. M-A-M-U-N. Okay. Comma. Say something like 66. Over, ma. Don't tell now. So all these values are separated by what? Commas. Save this file. How I am saving? Observe it. Observe it. Comma separated value. Go to the location where it is pandas. Wherever you want, you can save it. Wherever you want, you can save it. But I'm saving into our location pandas. In our place of pandas. Okay, let it be. Now I saved inside of it. How I am saving? stud dot csv. It is a very important. A very important student stud dot csv. stud.csv. See the extension, and I saved inside the double quotes. This is a very important point to be noticed. Within the double quotes, I saved into CSV. Why? Because it is by default taking it as a txt. It should be taken as a .txt. That's why to eliminate that, I saved within the double quotes. And the people who did not write other names, don't feel. 216 students are there, don't feel it. All the names I'm interested to write, but time is not sufficient. Huh? Only some names. Those who said, sir, write our names. I wrote their names. Okay? Right. Come on to the point. Okay, it is created. See, just watch it once. If I just say in Panda, see how it is created. This is the appearance of it. It is nothing but an Excel sheet or not? All of you. Is it nothing but an Excel sheet or not? Yes, see the appearance, ma. It is an appearance. Excel sheet it is. Now from the Excel sheet also you can enter. Excel sheet also you can enter. So it is created like that. Now I want to read the data. So how to read the data, sir? In our CSV file, sir, please show me that, sir. How to read the data from Excel file. So tell me. So which module we are using? Now I will write a small Python program. Now I will write a small Python program for reading the CSV file data. Very, very simple, ma. Python. Tell me, what is my file name here? Read CSV file. Read CSV data. CSV data. CSV data. Dot py. Very, very powerful. Same thing. Read CSV data dot py. Read CSV data dot py. Come on fast. Come on fast. How do you write it? Yeah. Come on. Which module we need to import? To deal with the we have seen to deal with the Oracle, CX underscore Oracle, to deal with the pandas, to deal with the NumPy, to deal with the different modules. Import CSV. CSV is one of the module. What is the CSV stands for? Just now we got it. To read with the CSV file. Actually, Python is dead easy. For every new operation, they develop a module. Import CSV. It is one of the enabled module in the Python. It is an existing library module. No need to import, no need to install separately. Import this one. Okay, keep it aside. Now I need to, anything you want to read from the file, what you will do first? Need to open the file in which mode? Need to read the data from the file. Already files topic is completed in our program or not? How many modes are there? How many file modes are there, ma? How many modes are there? Seven modes are there. Forget already. 7 modes are there. Can anybody can write in the same line? Don't type one by one, ma. Same line you write it. Same line. Same line. I'm waiting for it. Excellent. Arindam, very good, ma. Malesh, only one you are writing. Okay, one. Okay. Writing. R, W, A, R plus, W plus, A plus, X plus. We did pickling and unpickling concept also. Did you remember? Pickling and unpickling concept also. Do you remember, ma? Yes. See, in front of that, this is what? Very, very simple. Read CSV. Come on, open the file. How many ways are there to open my file? How many ways are there to open my file in Pandas? In our Python? 2 ways. One is with what function? First one, open function. Open function. Next one is what? Yes, ma, Pusharga. Very good. With open. Which is most effective? Which is most effective? Which is most effective? With open. See, actually, when we come to one stage, you will understand like anything, whatever I like, because that much of subject link you have already got it. Now, come on, tell me, with open, tell me, what should I write here? With open, what should I write, ma? What should I write? File name. What is my file name? I took it. You just take it. What is my file name? STUD. Happily, you can take this address. Happily, you can take this address. STUD. You can happily write like this. What is that? G colon, KVR Python, 4 PM, pandas, STUD, STUD dot CSV, you can write it. But one thing you remember, ma, you have to write like this. Either you have to write double slashes, you have to write double slashes. Whether you remembered or not, this you need to write it. Or, this is the one you need to write. Or you can take what? This slash also you can take. Do you remember this? Where I taught to you in our OS sys dot append dot path like that. You can take any one of the way. Either you can take like that or you can take like this also. Or simply you can write like this also. What you can write? stud.cs. Why? Because my program is also going to present in the same folder, current working folder. Yes or no? Comma. What is that? R. Is it necessary to write R? Is it necessary to write R? Is it necessary to write R? No. By default, which file it is? CSV text file it is. CSV text file. Excellent. If at all you want to write, I can write RT. Yes or no? If at all you want to write, I can write what? RT. Yes or no? Yes. Default text file. If at all you don't want to write anything, no problem, no problems. As RP, CSV RP, CSV RP, CSV RP, CSV read pointer, CSV RP, CSV RP. Yes. Take it your own variable name. Take your own variable name. Take your own variable name. CSV RP, CSV read pointer. Okay. What is the beautiful point? So who is the file pointer here? CSV RP. Who is pointing to this file? Who is pointing to that? CSV RP. Yes, very good. To read the data from the CSV file, in CSV file, in CSV module, we have a function. We have a function. What is that function? Reader function is there. Reader function. Reader function is there. Reader function. CSV dot reader. What is that readers are taking? CSV dot reader. Syntax is what, sir? Syntax is what, sir? CSV dot module name dot. You already know that. CSV dot module name dot function. CSV dot reader and a file pointer. You need to write file pointer. We need to write file pointer. File pointer, you need to write it. CSV dot reader of file pointer. Reader. See that word called reader, which is going to return. Result is going to come. Result is going to come. How the result is coming, I will show you. It is going to come all the elements in the form of list. List it is going to come. I'll show you that. Tell me now. Come on, ma. Values. Now I am going to say values. Now I am going to say values is equal to, tell me, how do you write it? Now I am waiting for the statement, please. All of you should say. Syntax is what? CSV dot reader. CSV dot reader. How do you write it? CSV dot is a module name. Reader. What is the file pointer? What is the file pointer, ma? CSV RP. CSV RP. It's the pointer pointing to the file. From this pointer, reader function will read all the elements present into vals. Print that vals. Print vals. Print vals. You print it. Vals. Print vals. And before that you print what? Print of type of vals you print it. Actually, it is dead easy. Let us save this code. Pandas. Save this code. Coming to the command prompt. G colon cd kvr python 4 pm cd pandas. Yeah. Now you say see the data. So what is this now? It is going to be what type? CSV reader. Okay, fine. Now you print the data once. How do you print the data? Print of vals. You print it. Vals. That is nothing but you see what is the result is going to come. So now we need to go for CSV dot read of this thing. Now what is coming? Memory address is coming. Now how do you read it? Using looping. Excellent. Pawan. Very good, ma. Use the for loop. Okay. Because we have seen this type of things many in our case. Come on. Come on. One record. Actually, these are all called records. RECS. Records. 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 And now records. From REC. For REC. In where? Records. From records. For loop already. One record I want from records. Print. REC. How beautiful things. REC. All the values are coming. See that now? Execute. See that? Beautiful. What is coming? Number, name. That is a heading. You don't worry about it. Our basic thing is in pandas we will go. First value, second value, third value, all the values are coming. Are you following my point? No? Are you getting my point? Yes. Now, coming to the point back, this is the reading the data from CSV file. Getting the data from the CSV file is difficult, huh? Easy now. Getting the data from CSV file is easy or difficult, huh? Easy, sir. It is looking like which concept? Is it not looking like pickling concept? Is it not looking like pickling concept? Yes. Yes. Here we are taking the file name. Here we are taking the file name and writing the data. Suppose if my file is there in different location, we can read the data by specifying the complete path of the file. Complete path of the file. Are you understanding me? Now I am going to tell you. Now I am going to tell you how to get this data. How to get the data in pandas. How to get the data in pandas. Can I go to pandas now? Can I get the pandas now? Here, how many lines of code I written? How many lines of code I wrote, ma? How many lines of code I wrote? 5 lines. In pandas, how many lines of code you are expecting? Yes, 2 lines of code. One line is what? One line is import. Another line is just a conversion. Another line is just a conversion. Let us see how you do it with the pandas. How to do it? We are going to see. Let us see. Let us see others. Now we are going to do with the Python. See how beautiful it is. Now I will take Panda program, Panda PROG, Panda CSV, Pandas CSV dot py. Okay, import pandas, import pandas. That's it. That's it. Now I will take records directly. RECS records is equal to in pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Alias name I am taking. Alias name. Anything you can take. Okay, fine. PD dot. There is a function called read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. How easy it is. It is like a simple language. Read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. Are you following me? What I need to specify here? Can you tell me what should I specify here? Yeah, tell me. Without my help, you tell me. How self-learning capabilities you got it now, you cannot imagine. Read excellent file name. Excellent file name. Read CSV file name. This type of learning skills you need to get it. See, once we reach from where we got it, see variable declaration, data type onwards, we came to which stage you see. You can specify complete path also. You can specify complete path also. You can specify complete path also. Yes, look at the complete path. Pandas, to take it. Complete path you can take it. Here I can write complete path also you can take. But one thing you remember, you write like this. You write like this. Okay, write like this. Very good. So we got the data. So now I will be printing that. Now I want to print it. How do you print it? Printer. So I'm writing given the data available, the data available, and I can say some backslash n. I will write a comma. I will write what is that now? What I can write? RECS. Just to see that RECS how it is done. RECS how it is done. Fine. Come on to the point of it. RECS. See, just 2 lines of code. Save it. Yeah. Come out of it. See that our file name. See that now. Oh, see the data. Beautiful. Beautiful. Number, name, number, name, marks. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the names, all the numbers, all the names, all the marks. Reading the data in a normal Python program is like this. Reading the data in a normal program is like this. And then next what? Next is what? Reading in the pandas. So we can go for anything. We can read the data like this also. We can read the data like this also. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Right. Now, I will tell you one more point to you more. Just one point I want to tell you. One more point I want to tell you. So writing the data to the, this is what we read is, we read the data. See the complete path I said. Complete path I said. Yes. Simple. Now, reading. We read the data here. We read the data here. And our CSV file is this much. And our CSV file is this much. Now see, I want to write the data to the CSV file. I want to write the data to the CSV file. Just to close this CSV file for 1 minute. Now I want to, we retrieved the data. We retrieved the data. Now I want to write the data to the CSV file. I want to, because in the pickling we wrote what? Writing the data, pickling, dumping the data, and getting the data. Now I want to write the data to the CSV file. Writing the data to the CSV file. Just for a minute, read. This is called, I will just take first 3 lines. First 3 lines I will take it. Yeah, look at that Python program. Beautiful. So read. This is called write CS, write data. Write data CSV. Write CVS data. I will take some fancy name. So there we will take what we are going to take here is, look at that. Here, there are 2 functions we are supposed to use. One function we will use. This module is containing, see, anything you want to learn it, there you need to use modules. One is called a writer. Writer is nothing but a pen you are taking. We are taking one function called a writer function. And one more function we are taking, a write row function we are taking. Write row function we are taking. What is that meaning? What is that meaning? Yes, ma, CVS. Oh, okay. CVS we will take. Yes. Okay, by typing mistake. So in this module, we have a writer. Writer is nothing but our pen. Then write row is nothing but writing the data. Now let us start CSV. This is the CSV. Import it. Now what I will do? Take one value which you want to write it. How I will take my value? See, I will take it as a REC is equal to now I will take. What is my name? Number I'm taking something like 67 or something like 63. Now I'm writing some name I will take. Vishwa. I will take Vishwa. Vishwa is name Vishwa. And I will take the name called what? 66.66. This is the data we have. Vishwa. I took it as Vishwa. Okay, double quotes means double quotes. You need to use whenever double quotes means double quotes. Single quotes means single quotes. This is the data I have. Because we have seen that if our data is available in this format only, no? That's why I'm taking that. Okay, right. Now, okay, my data is ready. Now I should do what? What I'm doing? Writing the data. To write the data, what should I do, guys? What should I do, ma? Please tell me. I need to open the file or not? Which file I need to open? Which file I need to open? Yes, guys, are you there? Yeah, which file I need to open? CSV file I need to open. Which mode? Which mode I need to open? Think carefully, ma. Think carefully. A mode. A. If I open W mode, what will happen? Previously, that 14 records, whatever the number of records we have, that will be going now. So I don't want to go for it. How do you get it? I want to go for A. I will go for A. Come on. With the open, I will take my file name. With the open. Yeah, open. I will take my file, my file path, I will take it. This entire thing I will get it. Even you can write that also, no issue. So I will take this file path. Yes. I will remove one. Okay. Done. Comma. What I should do? A. That's it. AT you can write, no problem. AT. But by default it is nothing but T only, na? Are you getting my point? Yeah. So A. Close it. Close it as CSV WP. CSV WP means CSV right pointer. Take your own name, Hyderabad, HYD. Take your own name. Take your own name. CSV WP right pointer. Okay, indentation symbol. Okay, CSV WP is there pointing to that. Ask CSV WP. CSV or CVS, huh? CSV, it is CSV only more. CSV right pointer. Please give me a separate writer. Anyhow you are pointing to that. Please give me one separate writer to hand over the data for you. So CSV right pointer is there. He is a person pointing to this file. And the CSV module separately require one writer to point to that. You cannot ask the CSV WP to write the data. Because this object does not contain the function called what? Write row function is not there. Write row function is there in this module only. So I need to take writer object. Writer object. So writer object W, that is nothing but a pen. Pen is equal to pen. W pen. Write pen is equal to what is that? CSV dot writer of what? Take the permission. CSV, what is that? WP. Okay, W pen, that is nothing but pen, writer object is coming. Then with the writer object, what do you do? Write the data. How do you write it? Yes, please. W pen dot, which is the function I need to use? Which function I will use? Write row function I will use it. Write row. What is that write row function will take? What is the parameter here? Write row function parameter is what? Excellent. REC. This is called, see, you are getting almost self-learning skills only. From where we are getting this the deep knowledge? From functions onwards we are getting. So with this, we can say printer \n data written to the file. Data written to the CSV file. CSV file. Yes, please look at that. Save this data. Save this. Yes. Save this code. Excellent. Yes. Execute. Now you see once more. Yes, you see once. Read CSV. First, I am showing you original content. With the pandas also I am showing. Last one is called 65. Now you execute this program. And write CSV data. What is happening? You see. Data written to the CSV file. Data written, happy. Now you open that. CSV data is there, na? Open it. CSV. What is it? See, 63 Viswa. 66.66. 66.66. Are you following? 65. Mamun is the last one. It is written this data. Now you see, last part is called Mamun. This is called Mamun. Now you execute this file. Read that. Modified data you get it. Read, you do it. So it is Vishwa came. And don't worry about it because I pressed the enter key there. That's why it is coming. That is why I pressed the enter key there. CSV file, I pressed the enter key. Okay, I pressed the enter key. Now you see, now press the enter key. Don't worry about it. Now you read pandas related you see. So Vishwa. So pandas will not consider that type of value. Vishwa also came. Are you getting my point? Guys, are you okay with this? Fine. Very perfect. So that is easy. So CSV file is easier, difficult. Okay. Right. So see how easy it is. So you are asking from 2 to 3 days onwards. Sir, we are we expect we are CSV file CSV file. Easy, nice, easy example for us. Simple. This is a way how you can get it. Like this, we need to go for it. We got the data, right? Right. This is called how it is done the class. So, this is the time you can express your views. Yes, ma. And one more thing is there is a panel. There is a panel. So panel is not at all in this moment, and you take the things very clearly. The very 99%, 99% of the time you will use this only. Panel is nothing but it is a physical 3D part. It is a physical 3D part. It is not possible to see in our normal representation of our things. It is a physical 3D. It is a physical 3D. It is not supposed to be represented in the two-dimensional axis. So, panel is not necessary at this moment of time, and it is not needed also. So, even if you take panel, it will look like what? It will look like a data frame only. 99.99% of your applications will follow data frame, and it is uses internally series object. Okay, guys. Now, this is the class of Python which is completed everything. Now, you can express your views. Django batch which you have complete slots are busy for me. If any slot is free, we will be trying to tell you that. We will try to take up that type of sessions. If I do that, you will be getting that. Yes, ma. Kaushal Tata. Thank you, ma. Thank you. These are all, it's really, even I am also going to feel the same thing from you people. Yes. So once your lockdown is over, you are having my number already. You have my number. 6 p.m. batch is as usual. It is there. It is continuing, ma'am. 6 p.m. batch is 4 p.m. batch is over. One more thing I am saying. Monday you are having, yes, ma'am. Savanthi, thank you, ma'am. Monday 4 p.m. Please intimate to all the people. Monday 4 p.m. you have the Java session. New session is going to start. New batch. Vishwa. Threading is already completed, multi-threading. See that in your place you see 4 p.m. you see multi-threading. See Vishwa. See already multi-threading. See that these are all called multi-threading applications. Vishwa. Please look at Vishwa. Yes. So fine. So I already gave my number for you. Once again I am typing. You can have my number which I am typing.